In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Webflow with your HubSpot account. This integration can help streamline your marketing efforts by combining the power of HubSpot's customer relationship management tools with the design flexibility of Webflow. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First up, open your HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you're already logged in because this will give you access to all the features we'll be working with today. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see the option labeled Marketplace. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Apps. Now, you might need to be a bit patient here, as sometimes loading this next page can take a little longer than expected, depending on your connection speed. Once the Marketplace Apps page has loaded, you're ready to search for Webflow. At the top, you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type Webflow into this bar. This will bring up the Webflow app in your search results. When you see it, click on Webflow to bring up the apps page and then look for the button that says Install App and click on it. Clicking Install App is just the first step. Next, you'll be prompted to follow additional steps which are necessary for connecting your HubSpot account with your Webflow account. It's important to follow these prompts carefully. These might include granting permissions or logging into your Webflow account, so make sure you have your Webflow credentials handy. This connection is crucial because it allows for data to flow seamlessly between HubSpot and Webflow, enabling you to harness the full potential of both platforms. As you go through these prompts, just take your time to read each one carefully. The integration process is designed to be user-friendly, but it's always a good practice to ensure you understand what each permission and setting involves. If at any point you feel unsure, it could help to pause, review the information given, or even consult HubSpot's or Webflow's support documentation if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now connected Webflow to your HubSpot account. With this integration, you can more effectively manage your marketing tasks, track your web interactions, and leverage your CRM strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy marketing.